Hi Kitty, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a koala bear, so let's get started. First, draw a round circle here. Now, draw the ears. Now draw two round big eyes, inside with a circle and another smaller circle. Draw a curve inside. Inside with three lines. And the nose. Now just following with me, draw the hand. Just following with me. Continue with the body. And the leg. Now just follow it with me. Draw the tree. And the leaf. Now we have a koala bear. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.